Hello out there again. This is Russ Sallow with GPS to Go. And today what I wanted to do is show you some of the key points that I think are important when using Geotab Drive for the first time, and to help you distinguish between Geotab Drive, our mobile application for people that are doing electronic logbooks, and not confusing it with My-Geotab, which is the mobile version of our famous desktop database version. So most people become exposed to Geotab through the main database for their company. So if I click on the word map, in here I have the map of North America with all of the vehicles. I can see trip history, route completion. We might have things like cameras, activity. Inside of activity, we have HOS, which is the electronic logbook data that the administrators at the office use. Engines and maintenance, messaging, things like that. Out in the field, your drivers are going to be signing into Geotab Drive. So when you do that, you're going to download this application, which is the letter G with the two hands on it, as you can see, not to be confused with the My-Geotab logo here. And this is the, again, mobile version of the database for back at the office. It does not have the ELD functionality. So if we open this up, there's a few key things that I want to make sure that you're aware of. So as a driver, you'll be given a driver profile and you have an email address. And then something that's important when you sign into this for the first time, you'll need to put in your database name. Now you'll see here it already says GPS to Go test. But as a driver, what you would do is you'll touch this button there that says options, and then you will fill out your database name. So you see here now database appears and it says GPS to Go test. So you would type that in, and your database name is found by looking at your desktop database. So we have, for instance, here mygeotab.com/GPS to Go test. If your company is called 123 Carpets or ABC Transportation, then you'll have a database that will probably have your name in it up here. So you would key that in. So once you put in that information here, GPS to Go test, then you're going to put in next. Then you will put in your secret password. So your password, you'll type that in and it will allow you to continue on. So let me do that right now. Okay, so I have my secret password put in, and what I'm going to do is log in. Now you may get to a point sometimes where find vehicles, this will come up and be blank. Even though you might be sitting in the vehicle, it may say no vehicles available. If that ever happens, simply touch the screen, type in the letter G, and all of your vehicles in your fleet will come up because every Geotab device has a G in it. So I'll scroll down and I'm going to pull up Russ's vehicle here and select that one. Then it's going to synchronize the asset inspection. So as that goes through, you follow through the different prompts on this. This part you'll have training on from the factory or one of our experts. If you want to add trailers, add your shipments. Tells me that I have 13 hours of duty time left. These are logs that are auto-generated when I'm driving my personal vehicle that I use for these testing videos. I'm going to skip that. I can do my vehicle inspection, and it now tells me that I'm sitting here off duty, ready to go. So you can go in, and as soon as the vehicle starts moving, it will put you into D for drive automatically. You don't have to touch the screen. You can go into sleeper berth mode if you have a truck equipped as so. When you're working but not moving, it will automatically put you into on duty status. Now, one of the main things important to know when you're done working at the end of the day, when you get back to the office, it's very important. You cannot just turn off your phone and expect that this will log you out. So you have this human being logo here. When you get back and you're done for the day, you must click on the human logo, and you want to log out, you're going to click on the word log out. Then what we're going to do here is, for instance, we can skip that remainder. We're going to move along with that. We'll scroll down. We're going to skip just so we can log out for this video. So currently we're now off duty, verify, and log out. You want to make sure that you click on that logo and you log out at the end of your day. If you don't, it will keep counting your hours down behind the scenes. So once again, I'm Russ Sallow with GPS to Go, showing a little bit of the difference between those two areas. And if you have any questions, reach out to us at our numbers listed on our website right up here. GPS to Go, and now you know.